uvuma ukuthi amadoda abana nomuntu omone. Amadoda like they have amakhopheni.
Bese ngitshela ukuthi uzozenza mara athanda ukuthi ngamboni.
Oh.
Ngoma ngambona ngeke kube kuhle kuyoshuka ejuvenile.
So wena you prefer ukuthi ayenze mara ngakubonisi.
Yeah.
Hey, okay. Understanding woman. I'm calling Kalo uthule ngingana. Hey, how's it? Sure, you're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm here with your partner. We want to ask you a few questions. Your partner doesn't rent if you're loyal. So, how long have you been dating your partner?
4 months.
4 months, okay. And in these 4 months, do you guys see each other often? When last did you see your partner?
Sorry, come again.
When last did you see your partner?
Zol.
Zol, okay. And is your partner light skin or dark skin?
Dark.
Dark skin, okay. What is your partner's name?
Nomsa.
Unomsa.
Hayibo.
Yeah.
Puti. Unomsa ungena kuphi manje?
4 months.
And then wena uthi kimi ngizwane nawo 4 months, the 8 years engihlalele amasimba.